The Battle of Karbala was a pivotal event in Islamic history that took place on October 10, 680 CE, 10th of Muharram, 61 AH. Here's a detailed account. Background. Imam Hussein, grandson of Prophet Muhammad, was invited to lead a rebellion against the tyrannical rule of Yazid ibn Muawiyah, Umayyad Caliph, in Kufa, Iraq. Imam Hussein's mission was to restore justice, equality, and Islamic values. The journey. Imam Hussein, his family, including women and children, and companions, around 72, left Medina for Kufa. They were intercepted by Yazid's army, around 1,000 to 2,000 soldiers, led by Ubayd Allah ibn Ziyad and Shimr ibn Dial Joshan. The battle. The two armies faced each other in Karbala, modern-day Iraq. Imam Hussein's companions fought bravely, but were vastly outnumbered. One by one, Imam Hussein's brothers, sons, and companions were martyred. Imam Hussein himself fought valiantly, but was eventually surrounded and struck by arrows and swords. Martyrdom. Imam Hussein was beheaded by Shimr ibn Dial Joshan. His body was trampled by horses and left unburied. The women and children were taken captive and marched to Kufa and later Damascus. Aftermath. The event became a symbol of resistance against oppression and tyranny. Imam Hussein's martyrdom inspired countless uprisings and movements against injustice. The tragedy of Karbala has been commemorated annually during Ashura, 10th of Muharram, by Muslims worldwide. This event is considered a turning point in Islamic history, highlighting the struggle for justice, courage, and sacrifice.